Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Dynamic 365 for marketing. Today we will learn form matching strategies. For that we need to go to settings. So change the sitemap from marketing to settings. Go to lead management. Click on form matching. Yeah, we have two form matchings in the system to contact and lead. Let's open one of them. Yeah, it has name, description, and target. This for matching for contact, and it has attributes. So, which is email address one. So, what exactly form matchings or do in a Dynamo 365 marketing? Whenever form submission made to Dynamo 365, it will check the contact which is already there in a system or not. If it is there, it will update. Otherwise, the match is not found in the system. It will create the contact with that form submission. In the system, we can have n number of form matching strategies. So let's create one form matching. For that, click on new. It's asking name. Let's give that. And description. Target, we need to select the lead. Click on save. So we need to add attributes for this for matching. So for that, click on this ellipse. Click on new form matching attributes. We need to select the mapping files. So let's select the email. Select and save and close. So we can add one more attribute for this form matching. Click on ellipse, click on new form matching attribute and expand. Source from marketing form. Let's select this, save and close. Yeah, so this form matching will helps whenever the submission is made from marketing forms. So it will check in the system with the email ID and marketing source. If these two attribute values are matched, then it will update the existing lead. If it is not matched, then it will create a new lead for that form submission. So let's create one more form matching for the contact. For that, click on new and give the name. Description. Target, which is contact. Let's save this. And we need to add attributes to match the record against. So click on ellipse, click on new form attributes, and select the attribute, select the email, click on save. So we can add any other attributes if we want to match against the attributes. So we can have a number of form matching in the system to match the submissions made with the marketing form to the Dynamic 365. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.